Pumpkin seeds. These seeds contain a hefty dose of zinc, which increases testosterone and sperm count. Pumpkin seeds are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which stimulate blood flow to reproductive organs and improve its function. 3. Spinach. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach are rich sources of folic acid. Men with low levels of folate have more sperm with chromosomal abnormalities. To increase your sperm count, production, and motility, make sure you're eating lots of dark green veggies. 4. Garlic. Garlic contains a chemical called allicin which increases blood flow in the body. Garlic also provides the body with selenium and vitamin B6 which are responsible for the mechanism of healthy sperm production. 5. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are rich in an antioxidant that help to reduce a chemical found in sperm called melandialdehyde, which destroys sperm. Drinking pomegranate juice can help the body get rid of free radicals and also improve the quality of the sperms. 6. Walnuts. Walnuts contain arginine, which increases sperm production and increases semen volume. Another key nutrient for sperm volume is omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids can improve blood flow to male reproductive organs and increase sperm count. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.